Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor. I am Sanjay. Now inside this video session guys, I am very excited to actually announce you that one of the important course something complete CodeIgniter 4 with sample bootstrap admin panel launched inside Udemy platform. Now this course is going to cover all the basics as well as advanced concept of CodeIgniter 4 with a admin panel developed. If I back to Udemy official website and search here with the keyword called complete CodeIgniter, here is the keyword what we have typed is something complete CodeIgniter 4, and if I press enter, here we can see that here we have a course is something complete CodeIgniter 4.x framework with bootstrap admin app. Now if I click on this link, now inside this course you can find all about the details. Now inside this course, first of all we have some stages. Inside those stages we are going to cover this course with well explained things. First we are going to cover all about our the basic modules of CodeIgniter. And the next we have discussed some bit the second phase label. You can find all about the lecture details step by step here. Right now we are adding all the lectures continuously inside this course. You can see here that is here we will have bootstrap admin panel development. So after covering all the basic things like the CodeIgniter framework basics, controller and view concept, understanding route configuration, here we will have row query, query builder class, models with entities, helpers, services as well as libraries, understanding all about the newly added Spark module, and finally we have started all about the development of bootstrap admin panel. Still we are adding the lectures inside this. So this is the newly added course by Online Web Tutor at Udemy platform. If you enroll this course, you are going to develop yourself as a CodeIgniter 4 framework developer. It has covered all the latest features what basically CodeIgniter 4 contains. All the lectures are well managed as well as each video session gives you a better idea about each concept of CodeIgniter framework. We have used, as we know that we have two options, either we can install via manual way or composer way. We have seen all the approaches clearly inside this course. And here we will have some understanding or lesser description. So please go through this link, see all the description, and if you like this course then please enroll that. After enrolling you will get all the ideas of CodeIgniter 4. So successfully guys, this is our new course launched at Udemy platform. So go and enroll that and enjoy the course objects. So inside this video session guys, if you went out then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.